virgin oxygen and fumes, carbon fumes. And there is electromagnetic fields that ignites all these small points. Smaller than the moon, like asteroids belt, made from alloys and crystals. And these galaxies are stars. Stars. They are not gravitational systems. They are not. And if you go these clouds, you go through them. I know, but I don't have time to explain to you everything. You go through clouds without one day. 26 billion kilometers of clouds. And you reach what you say the current day of the universe. Look, clouds. You go with a ship through this stuff, through this black stuff. You go beyond this sphere. This sphere. That is our galaxy. And they are tricking you. I'm telling you, they are tricking you. Look, this is the penultimate picture. You see, penultimate picture. They are tricking you with bending of gravity. Einstein, did you do not have the guts? Einstein was Jew. That's why they put who they want, and and you are afraid, and you watch that Star Trek, and SG-1 is my favorite movie, and Star Trek, Stargate Atlantis, go in another galaxy, and you wait billions of years with the current speed you will not reach. But I'm telling you, these stars are close. With the current Elon Musk rocket, you can reach here. And this the Chinese made. This black holes. These are tricks for you, stupid. For you to, you see, the stars are small. Look, but look. I will look. You zoom here. You can zoom here. This you can download big stuff and zoom. Like here, you see. Look, the stars are small. Look. Let me focus. You see, there's a smaller distances than the stars themselves, and they are cold. This will shock you, my friend. Okay, they are cold. The stars do not put thermal emissions, and we not see the universe. And Hubble said that Andromeda is receding. And now you are all these are stars. They are not going anywhere, and they make that round. They're moving around. You see. And these stars were all of them ignited. Like this, if you want to understand, because this a sphere full of matter was, and it was light up with light, and voided inside the planets was blocks that congealing prior inside this galaxy, and then was voided inside, and then was ignited at once. All these stars was ignited with electromagnetic energy at once. That is still going from a pole to a pole for all around our galaxy. The cause of the is a light energy. A light energy. Mostly. That's why they're tricking you. Radiation, background radiation, gases, explosion, bombs. Trick. This is a star. A star, dudes. It is not colliding. Gravity is not attraction. It is not attraction. The Elon Musk puts 1,000 satellites. The Earth does not attracts them back. You see clouds. You see clouds. There's a circular magnetic energy, electromagnetic energy, a spins of the planets, including the sun. The sun is not the cause or keeping in orbit the Pluto planet. And the orbits were calculated by Kepler with this stuff. Because they're moving in a circular and the planets do not. The planet means a wandering star, because they do not respect the path of the circular movement. And supposing that the sun is in the middle, with this angular stuff Kepler calculated not through mass like you are believing, through Newtonian stupid stuff. Look, the stars are small. I see. They will set themselves on fire, and if it will be attraction, they will collide to one towards another. The stars are small, you see. Millions of places on the night sky are like this, and the galaxies are still places like this, but they are really like a flower of lights that they are really revealing. And there is the universe, but it is beyond the sphere, and we do not know how it looks. But I'm telling you that I found all of this, and there's some crazy guys, aliens guys, that put over you this science, dramatic science, explosion, radiation, big what bangs, gravity, attraction. A star can be ignited and extinguished. It's not a supernova. It is only like a difference in the magnetic wave, and it pulses, and then look, a 360 degrees panorama of southern sky, see, and this is the Milky Way belt, and this it moves in the circles. Let me show you again on page 3 and 4, like this. Like this, in circle stars, on North Pole star. The ancient navigators on the sea knew this, and you are more stupid than the Ptolemy in 100s. They wrote the book, said that it is a sphere, and they knew that it is a sphere. That this Andromeda is not going anywhere. All the stars are static. Our galaxy is a static sphere. Surrounded by clouds, and there are some real enemies, my friends, but I'm not one of them. Okay, I'm not one of them. They are lying to you, and you will not go anywhere with the speed of light. That like you reach 1 billion years, you will not go anywhere. But I'm telling you, with a simple Elon Musk rocket, this is sombrero. It is a star, a simple star. So with a simple Elon Musk rocket, you can reach beyond Pluto at the border of our galaxy in 50 years. 50 years in a normal years. So I've told you, I will make one a day, 2 weeks. Let's see who will watches my videos, okay? I'm not crazy, dude. This is the way how you measure the sky, okay? You see, with angles, and you have two planes from ancient times, like this, and you put a satellite, you move it in a circle, and you film like with grades in circle. Even here in the pictures, if you enter, they will give you the you see, like, where is it? You see, like this, look, position. See, like in a circle, in a sphere. So believe me, friends, if you want, maybe we'll reach the stars, we'll colonize the planets, but with this ancient aliens, this is a star, my friend. This is a star, a simple star. Nothing is rotating. This is not attracting this one, because gravity is not attraction. Nothing rotates, and beyond is black stuff, but is much stuff. One day with the speed of light. The clouds, black clouds. You go beyond that sphere that is our galaxy, and this is a sphere. And 99% looks towards us like this. 99% of galaxies are orientated to, not like a sombrero in an angle. 99, because they are put on the walls Like our galaxy, there is a sphere. That's why. All over you, or you look, 99%, they are looking towards us, like an eye. Like an eye. And this is a cloud. It is a cloud, like full with pieces, crystals, and zoomable. Look, crystals and look. Let me focus. There's clouds here, hydrogen, oxygen mainly, carbon fumes, electromagnetic energy, and this is not going anywhere. It is like a mathematical form of arrangement. It's a static piece. And these clouds, you see clouds, and they're crystals and alloys and another kinds of, and they're like electroshock and produce energy. Not by themselves, but it is electromagnetic energy through these clouds. Okay? So our galaxy was produced at once, voided, a sphere, big sphere of hydrogen, oxygen, full with metals and crystals, was voided. Everything was pushed at the border, remained suspended only over the sun and the planets. And then a second wave ignited the stars and the sun. The sun is blocked. It is alimentated by this cosmic, if you say cosmic background radiation. It's alimentated. It's put in a light magnetic field, like the stars, like all the stars. This field spins the planets, the sun, and the Earth, and all the satellites and asteroids. And beyond Pluto began this stuff, this in Orion. Okay. After Pluto, there are many places like this. We can go there. A small place. How do you said like a billion years, like light years? This is small, like Earth Moon distance, maybe much more. Sun, Mars, Sun, Pluto. But you can go with a ship and traverse this. This is how beautiful it is. But you are intended to be kept here, like prisoners. From ancient times, do not go in the sky. Exactly like, if you understand. There was a guy who said this in 1300s, to not go in the sky. That's why. This is, you can go here. It is close and static play. And it's static. These clouds barely move because nothing moved them. It is like static and you can go with a ship in current day, actual day. It will take you 50 years. I'm not a liar, okay? 50 years. So you can traverse it. There's small points that, like Saturn, have the rings of ice crystals, and this is the same. And we can go here, and you imagine what beautiful it is to fly over this stuff. Now you can do this, but will take us 50 years with our current, but not 4 billion light years, my friend, or 2 billion light years. The stars are close. We can go to the planets, and they are beyond these clouds. Real bad guys that want to stop us to do this, okay? But I do not have anything to gain from this. I just wanted to tell you the truth, okay? So look, the stars are small, put in clouds. Okay, goodbye. God bless. I will make like 2 weeks. Let's see if I can gather people with this. Okay, I telling me do this for free, and they are lying you for money, and you learn nothing. Goodbye.